We started Savernake knives because no one out there did what we wanted, which is to have a knife made to our own design in a matter of weeks, not months, and for a few £100, not several £1,000s. What sets our knives apart from everybody else's is that we do not compromise. Everything is done in-house. 42 processes we have for making a knife. Of that, 22 are on the steel and the other 20 are on the handle. And the ones which are on the steel are very, very technical. They're aerospace engineering, and the processes for the handle are all done by hand, by eye, by feel and by experience. We make knives for a huge variety of people, from enthusiastic amateurs at home to Michelin-starred chefs. The customers who really intrigue me are those who cook for their families day in, day out. They use a knife 3 times a day and they have no love for that knife. We want to make them a knife that they will love. We want to make a knife that is light, that's easy to use, easy to look after, and takes away the drudgery and brings back joy. I think we're the only people in the world who offer a truly bespoke knife. You tell us exactly what you want it to look like and we will sketch it again and again until it's absolutely perfectly what's inside your mind's eye. A lot of things in life are not rocket science, and knife making is certainly one of them. But what sets apart a really good knife from a really bad knife is the amount of care and love and detail and attention and passion that goes into it.